Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting prerequisites in place quickly. First, confirm Homebrew and Git are available. If not, install them. Once done, run brew install Git Lfs to get the LFS client. Then navigate to your repository and execute Git Lfs install to set up the Git hooks and global config. This step wires LFS into your local Git so large files are tracked correctly. Make sure you run it from the account you use for commits. Now you tell Git Lfs which files to manage. You can run Git Lfs track * PSD or specific paths and that updates. Git attributes, so add and commit. Git attributes right away. If you already committed large files, run Git Lfs migrate import include * PSD to rewrite history and convert past objects to LFS pointers. Be careful. History rewrite affects collaboration. Coordinate with teammates and push a force update only after everyone understands the change, because this replaces commits on the remote. Finish by pushing and confirming everything uploaded. You push as usual, git push origin main, and Git Lfs transfers large objects in parallel. Once complete, run Git Lfs ls files and Git Lfs status to verify pointer and object presence. If something goes wrong, make sure your remote supports LFS and you have storage quota. Re-authenticate with Git credential chain if needed, and inspect Git Lfs logs for errors. If history rewrite caused conflicts, coordinate a fresh clone after teammates back up any unpushed work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.